Hi guys, my name is Graham and I'm here with the Glow Community Center. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a magic knot. A magic knot looks like this. This is actually a very simple trick and it's a really cool way to end a performance. I'll break it down for you guys in 5 easy steps. But before you guys try to attempt this trick, you have to make sure you know how to start a yo-yo and how to adjust it if the yo-yo tilts. Those are the only 2 things you need to know this trick, to win this trick. First step in doing a magic knot is you have to loop the yo-yo. Now, the second step will be to cross your arms. Your right hand is gonna go under your left, like so. Right hand goes under. And then your right stick will press against the string. Start off like this, right hand goes under, and then your stick presses against the string. Next step, your left hand will make a loop under the yo-yo, like so. Then you put both sticks into one hand, slowly stop the yo-yo. Now, to pull it out, your stick is gonna have to point at the center of the yo-yo, and then gently pull, and it should come out. One more time. A loop, right hand goes under, press against the string, left hand makes the loop, both sticks in one hand, gently stop the yo-yo, point your sticks at the yo-yo, and pull it straight out. First step, unlooping the yo-yo. Second step, right hand goes under your left and press against the string. Then, your left hand loops the yo-yo once. Get both sticks to your right hand, use your left hand, slowly stop the yo-yo, point your sticks at the yo-yo, and then pull. A few common mistakes when learning this trick. First, a lot of people often forget to unloop. If you don't unloop the yo-yo, the knot won't work. You'll get stuck. It looks like this. If that happens to you, that means you forgot to unloop. Second mistake. After you stop the yo-yo and you're trying to pull, you have to remember your stick has to point at the yo-yo. Otherwise, it will not come out. Once your stick points at the yo-yo, then it'll come out nice and easy with no effort. An extension trick you could do after learning a magic knot. Make sure your yo-yo isn't spinning too fast because you're going to be stopping it. You attempt a magic knot, you do a magic knot, you give both sticks to one hand. But this time, instead of giving your left stick to your right hand, you're going to give both sticks to your left hand instead. Okay? Then, you're gonna turn sideways. You're gonna swing up. Swing the yo-yo up. The yo-yo should fly out because it's a magic knot, and you're just gonna catch it, stop the yo-yo with your hand. It looks like this. Do a magic knot. Give your sticks to your left hand, and make sure you turn. You turn and you swing up in an upwards motion, forwards and up. The yo-yo should come out, and you catch it with your hand. That's another way to stop your yo-yo. To recap magic knot, first step, unloop. Second step, right hand goes under, left hand press against the string. Third step, left hand makes a loop, both sticks in either hand. Stop the yo-yo with your free hand, my left hand in this case. Point your sticks at the yo-yo and pull it out. And that's how you do a magic knot.